Not all wounds are visible. Not all pain has a scar. Sometimes the heaviest burdens we carry aren't the ones people can see. They're the ones quietly sitting in our hearts, hidden behind our smiles. In today's world, everyone seems to be running after marks, success, validation, beauty, or attention. Everyone looks happy on social media. Perfect lives, perfect bodies, perfect moments. But behind every bright photo, there's often a story that never gets posted, a story of fear, exhaustion, and silent comparison. Many of us wake up each morning already tired. Tired of pretending to be okay, tired of trying to fit in, tired of feeling that no matter what we do, we're still not enough. These are the invisible burdens we all carry, and they can weigh more than any backpack full of books. Some carry the burden of loneliness, surrounded by people, but feeling deeply unseen. Some carry the burden of failure, believing one bad grade or missed opportunity defines their worth. Some carry the burden of comparison, constantly measuring themselves against others who seem to be doing better. And some carry the burden of unhappiness, without even knowing why they feel empty inside. These burdens don't shout. They whisper. They whisper when you scroll through your phone late at night and feel like everyone else has life figured out. They whisper when you laugh with friends but feel a quiet ache inside. They whisper when you say, "I'm fine," even though you're breaking. The truth is, it's okay not to be okay. It's okay to feel lost, confused, or left behind. Life isn't a race, and your journey doesn't have to look like anyone else's. You don't have to smile all the time. You don't have to be strong every single day. You're allowed to rest. You're allowed to feel. Sometimes we forget that even the people who seem happiest carry silent struggles. The friend who always cracks jokes might cry alone at night. The student who tops every exam might feel trapped by pressure. The most confident person you know might be fighting invisible fears. So instead of judging or comparing, let's start understanding. Let's be gentle with others and with ourselves. The world doesn't need more perfection. It needs more compassion. If you're carrying invisible burdens today, remember this. You are not weak. You are human. Every emotion you feel has meaning. Every tear you hide has a story. Every silent battle you fight is shaping you into someone stronger and wiser. Take a deep breath. You are not behind. You are not alone. You are not broken. You are becoming. And while life may not be easy, it's still beautiful, even in the messy parts. You'll find your peace not by running faster, but by slowing down, forgiving yourself, and learning to love who you are. Flaws and all. Talk to someone. Ask for help when you need it. Check on your friends. Listen when someone says, "I'm okay," because sometimes that's when they're not. Your story matters, not the one on social media, but the one written quietly inside your heart. Your pain doesn't make you less. It makes you real. And your scars, they're proof that you've survived everything life has thrown at you so far. So keep going. Keep believing. And when life feels too heavy, remind yourself, even the strongest souls sometimes bend, but they don't break. You are enough, just as you are.